Namaskar. I, Suman Shoran, Principal, Career Planet Senior Secondary School, warmly welcome our IC committee members, Mr. Bhupender Singh, Principal, Silver Oak Public School, Saharanpur, UP, and Mr. Kanja Lochan Pathak, Principal, KVS, Assam, and all the observers from CBSE. You are warmly welcome, sir. You are warmly welcome to the virtual tour of our Career Planet Senior Secondary School. You are welcome, sir. You are again welcome to the Temple of Learning. We have taken many precautions regarding COVID-19. Distancing charts are mentioned on the entrance gate. One should maintain national social distancing of 2 meters. And this side we have foot sanitizer. And this side there is instructions board for social distancing and for all the precautions to be taken care of while entering the school. You are welcome, sir, once again. This side we have guards. Lakshman Bhaiya is there to keep a record of all the visitors who used to visit our school on daily basis. He is very humble and very soft spoken, very nice person. Let us move forward. From this area we can have a complete view of the school building. This side we have parking for the students. Students are allowed to come via bicycles only. And on the other side we have parking for the visitors and parents. Both the parkings are covered with a pakka roof at the top. CCTV cameras are also installed on the main gate, on the entry gate as well as on the exit gate to monitor all the activities throughout the school. Very safe and secure infrastructure is provided, keeping in mind the safety and security of each and every child. The whole school is enclosed in a boundary wall with a proper height. You can see the boundary wall is of proper height according to the CBSE norms. Now let us move towards the playing zone of our kids. This is the area where our students used to come for enjoying various activities. You are welcome in the kids zone area of our school. Students used to jump, crawl, swing. They used to do various activities in this ground. There is ball pool for the kids. And each and every kid love to come in this area every day. They have been provided with many facilities like slides, rockers, hurdles, hooplas, seesaw, and many other activities. Now you are welcome in the visitors lobby of our school. You are welcome, sir. Again, there is a huge welcome from the side of school management, teachers, and students. You are welcome, sir. You are welcome again to the virtual tour of Career Planet Senior Secondary School. Let's move inside the visitors lobby. This is our visitors lobby. Ma Saraswati is there, the epitome of education and learning. And under the footsteps of Ma Saraswati, we always feel motivated, energetic, and blessed as well. Meet our first desk officer. She is there to have a proper communication with the visitors. Here in the visitors lobby, we have kept one first aid kit so that in case of emergency, it should be handy. Various glimpses of our cultural fest has been displayed on the wall. Our annual function, welcoming guests of honors, welcoming chief guests, and various other, many other personalities to our school. There is biometric machine for the proper attendance of the teachers. And intercom facilities also been provided for better communication in the school. Sir, here we have kept a suggestion box. Whensoever there is any kind of suggestion from the side of parents or the visitors, they are always welcome to put their slips inside this box so that we can easily know what they want from us and what is their requirement, what is their suggestion, so that we can follow and we can make a proper functioning in the school. And this is the gate, a completely restricted gate out of this area. No parent is supposed to enter inside the classrooms or to meet any student. They are supposed to use and wait this area only. Thank you, Ms. Reena. Thank you. Let us again move towards the boundary wall of the school building. The whole school is divided into 4 houses. Pratap House blue, Ashoka House green, Ranjit House orange, and Shivaji House the red color. Now let us move towards the playing zone of the students. Moving forward, we can see that the school is enclosed by a pakka boundary wall. This pavement is used by the students to enter the school campus. Now we are exactly moving towards the sports area. You can see there is a lot of greenery all over the school campus. So the school was established in the year 2004. The whole family of CPPS, the teachers, administration, counselors, and the sports staff all work together for the all-round development of every child. Our teachers still believe that knowledge is never complete. They are open to learn new things every day from the children and the parents. You can see the green area, the plants with the boundary wall, greenery all around. Now we are about to enter our sports ground. We are just inside the sports ground. This side, we have victory stand. As CBSE says, Fit India, we should develop our children to have healthy body and healthy mind. In our school, we stresses both on the indoor as well as on the outdoor activities. We can see that the whole playground is surrounded by a pakka boundary wall of proper height. This area we use for various activities like athletics, like kho-kho. This is volleyball ground, kabaddi ground, and many other activities have been conducted here. This is Sepak Takraw ground, and our students have gone up to national level in Sepak Takraw. Tamanna Beniwal is an international level player in boxing. Our students have reached up to the level of national level in volleyball. The role of games and sports cannot be ignored while discussing the development. It makes discipline active and vibrant, teamwork and coordination. From the back side, you can see that all the classrooms are well ventilated, so many windows around, and they get broad sunlight. CCTV cameras are there and proper lighting is also there. This is our activity room for kids. We offer many activities that enhances confidence in our students. Very colorful and comfortable room. The room is properly managed by Miss Renu. Very soft spoken teacher of our school. Students really enjoy coming in this room for various activities. Let us move towards the kindergarten. Yeah, such a vibrant room. Lot of activities are displayed in the classroom. Our great leaders, tables, height chart is there. Timetable is also displayed on the wall. Here there is attendance chart of the students. This corner is maintained by students themselves. A very nice room. Wonderful, very cozy, very, you can say, vibrant room. This is class 1. Miss Deepa is there. Very talented teacher, used to take care of this class. This is students' corner. The activities are all prepared by our little ones. So that students can use these words in their daily life, in their daily routine. Very nice door. This is drinking water area connected with proper RO system and water cooler at the back side of this area. Now this is sports room, indoor activities room. You are welcome, sir. A very nice door. Students have been provided with various facilities of indoor games. They can play chess, carom board, balls for different activities have been provided. Desk is there, flying desk, Kit Kat games, Ludos. Hockeys, cricket kit is there. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We have placed fire extinguisher at various areas at the end of each corridor in our school. These are our primary classrooms. Ms. Sudesh is there to look up. Here again, this is Ms. Kiran, facilitator class 4. Here again, primary section. Ms. Deepika is there. Maintained a very proper classroom. All the significant events and national holidays are celebrated at this level. A very huge platform is provided to all the students for doing various activities. Students used to assemble in this area early in the morning for their prayers. Here various activities are conducted for our kids so that we can enhance their moral boost or we can enhance their confidence level. This is theater we have provided. Students are given chance to participate individually in the morning assembly. We are giving instructions to everyone regarding COVID-19. Everywhere in the school we have placed many charts so that everyone is aware of washing their hands, using sanitizer, wearing mask, and various other precautions they are given. This is our medical room. In case of any emergency, first aid is given here at this place by Ms. Monica. Proper first aid boxes are maintained. A very hygienic room. Thank you, Ms. Monica. This is our drinking water area. A colorful board is placed here so that the students are aware of some hygienic conditions. Proper taps are there, glasses are kept, and the taps are beyond the reach of each and every student. Only way to stay healthy is to wash your hands. Do not enter if you have flu-like symptoms. This is our secondary class, secondary level class. secondary section. Cameras, CCTV cameras are installed in each and every room, especially in the sensitive areas, so that we can have a check of each and every child anytime whensoever it is required. This is computer lab. Sir, you are welcome in our computer lab. Ms. Ritu is here.
Hello, welcome to our computer lab. Myself Ritu. I have done MCA in computers and Bachelor's in Information Technology and Higher National Diploma in Computing and Multimedia. Let's have a visit to our computer lab. As you can see, in our computer lab we have connected client and server technology, in which all the computers are connected with a single server. These are some social media apps by which students should be aware of all the social media. Students should focus, motivation and dedication. Excuses should not be in their life. There are some beautiful projects made by the students of class 3rd about the generation of computers. There are some more projects made by the students about how can we control mouse and keyboard in our lab. These are some social media sites so that students can download their necessary requirements of projects. These are some rules for our computer lab. There are some more projects about, from higher classes about networking components, networking architecture, data types. How can we use data types in higher programming languages so that they can make more and more apps. Just today's everyone is making apps. So we are making the students technically strong so for their bright future. Thank you. This is our stock register.
Thank you, Ms. Ritu. This is our yoga cell. Perfect place to feel relaxed. Surya Namaskar. Now this is our geography lab. You are welcome, sir. Hello, Miss Monica. Various charts are placed. India map, world map. Some models are placed. Model of volcano, solar system, this is model of green city. wildlife sanctuary. Samples of types of soil are kept here. Phases of moon. This is our Haryana. This is pollution factory, a nice model prepared by our student. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Here again we have provided fire hose for the safety of the students with proper piping system. This is again our secondary level section. Our Sanskrit teacher, Miss Renu, is there. Timetable is placed on the wall.
Good afternoon, welcome to all in Maths Lab. I am Poonam Sharma, working as a Maths teacher in CPSSS. Let me show you our Maths Lab. Let us start from here. There are different kinds of apparatus to teach about students' weight and measurements with the help of measuring jugs, measuring tape, weighing machine and different instruments of geometry box. On this table, this is abacus for junior students for quick addition, and we are playing with cards, dice and marbles to teach probability with senior students. There are different types of shapes on this table like cylinder, cuboid, cube, pyramid, sphere, circle, etc. This is the formulas table. On this table, students are easily learn about maths formulas and they are easily solving maths equations. Here, these are the formulas of mensuration, circle, and these are different types of quadrilaters. Quadrilaters like parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, rectangle and square. At last, this is my stock register.
Thank you, Ms. This side we have ramp, and here comes to the library section. The corridors are provided with proper CCTV cameras installation. This is our library with a proper sitting of near about 40 students. Our grade leaders have been displayed on the walls so that our students can get inspiration. This is newspaper stand. Students and the staffs, they can read newspaper here daily. This is our reading room. Mr. Satish is there to take care of this library. Here we have kept all the periodicals. Newspapers are kept this side. We have sufficient lot of books of all the kinds. Storybooks, textbooks, journals. Periodicals, magazines. Here staff can come in their free period and can consult books. A very calm area. Here we have kept all the reference books. This is issue register. Students are issued books on the weekly basis. This is library stock register. Thank you very much, Satish. Again, we have fire hose. Some of the glimpses of the activities of our students. Another fire hose is kept here for the safety of the students. Now let us enter inside our music and dance room. Very properly ventilated hall with lot of windows and near about 10 to 12 fans. Thank you, Ms. Sapna, for the nice presentation. With suitable and comfortable furniture. Students have been provided with pakka roofs and pleasing infrastructure. No risk from any kind of water tanks. Let us move towards the chemistry lab. This is our science bulletin board. Where great women of science are kept and various practicals have been displayed. Now you are welcome in the chemistry lab. Miss Anju is there to take care of this lab.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is our chemistry lab where we explore the new scientists. This is the chemistry lab where we explore our future scientists. And these are the equipments which we provide to every student, and these are the acids like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acids, and these are the bases. And these are the materials which are used to differentiate between the acids and the bases. Now come these salts, which are the mixture of these acids and bases, and these are some of the metals which we are going to use in our experiments. And these are the apparatus that are used by the students to perform all these experiments. These are the test tubes, the water bottles, measuring cylinder, funnel, filter paper. This is the dropper. And now these are the laboratory safeties that we should follow while working in the chemistry labs. That is wearing a lab coat, we should always wear the gloves, and we should never add water to the acid, always add acid to the waters.
This is fire extinguisher this side.
And then these are the laboratory techniques, different techniques that we use while experimenting. And these are the pipettes, these are the tongs. And these are the different processes like distillation. And here comes the periodic table. These are the leftmost materials which are known as the metals. The rightmost are known as the noble metals. And in between are the metals and the non-metals. Further, as the ventilation is there and the proper wash basin is there, and even these are functioning, which is obviously a very good component of the chemistry lab. And there comes the chemical reactions and their characteristics. These are the different characteristics which are used to recognize whether the chemical reaction is taking place or not. And these are the different type of chemical reactions which we study in our chemistry lab. And this is a stock register. And even this is properly maintained. We have figured these are the different materials that entries are there and properly maintained with the serial wise.
Thank you, Anju. Thank you very much. We have a good stock of apparatus in the chemistry lab, as you have seen. Now you are welcome in the physics lab. Ms. Prerna is there.
Welcome to you all. This is our physics lab, very well ventilated system over here. We have first electronic circuitry for displaying various resistance and current characteristics. Then we have a battery eliminator kit. Then coming towards our measurement tools, we have glass, prism, and then compass with magnets, and then TDS meter. Basically, these are the tools that are used for measurement purpose in the laboratory. Then we have a small section of students' corner. You can see here, students learn with your visual aspects, making models, and then display their skills and interest in the science. First we have a solar system model, then acid rain model, then water waste management system is displayed very well. We have a pulley system displaying the mechanism of pulley used in basically smaller classes initially. Then we have a solar irrigation system where solar energy is harvested and utilized in the irrigation purpose. Then over here we have optical instrument set in which we have glass prisms for displaying the various characteristics of the light and displaying the experimental setup made by a student. This is a kaleidoscope. And then we have some electronics part over here in which we have a small kit that is based on your Ohm's law, displaying various VI characteristics. And then we have a kit related to PN junction diode in which current and voltage characteristics can be measured by students and they can learn and visualize very well. So over here we have our stock register in which inventories are placed and various experiment related apparatus are listed over here. And then this is the register we have maintained. Then we have our charts for visual learning for the students in which they can learn very well. This is a chart for light ray experiment, and over here we have a precaution related that is based on for general information for the students to be managed in the lab. So we have very good sound laboratory, you can see here, and in which student can display learn and express their skills very well. That is based on our science aspect. Thank you.
Thank you, Prerna. Thank you, Ms. Prerna. This is our biology lab. Ms. Varsha is there, a proposed teacher for biology.
I'm Varsha and I am a biology teacher here. All materials are available for experiments. These are permanent slides which are used to observe the results of various purposes of students, and first aid box and science kit is available here for doing experiments, like needles and scalpels are present in it for doing experiments, and apparatus are also available here. And some chemicals that are used for doing experiments available here for doing better experiments. And this is a simple microscope used to observe various slides, or you can also perform own slides made by own. And all specimens are present here that belong to various class, like annelids, arthropods, Pisces, and life cycle of silkworm and butterfly, like these specimens are also available here. This is a model of human heart, and other models are also present here, like human skeleton, excretory system, human excretory system. And other models are here, digestive system, for explaining the digestive system in human beings, and respiration system is also available here, how human beings perform respiration. And circulatory system model is here, how circulation occur in our body or in human being. This model made by a student, it's a human excretory system. And various charts are available here, like photosynthesis. It all explains in it how photosynthesis process, by doing experiment, it can perform. And other charts are also available here, like nervous system. It's all about spinal cord and brain and all nerve and arteries and spinal cord cross section, nerve cells. And this model of circulatory system is made by a student. All the arteries and veins are described briefly in it. It's a very beautiful model. And here is a food and nutrition chart, which vitamins and minerals are useful for our human beings' needs and requirements, like vitamin A, retinol, vitamin B1, B2, all details are available in it. And this last one is plant cell, made by a student, a beautiful model. And stock register is also available here. All the stock are written in it. Like this, rubber gloves, round bottle, rheostat stand, and spatula slides, scalpel, Safranin solution, all the stock are written in it. Stock register biology.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Varsha. Here are some of the rooms for the senior secondary level. This is our 10th class. Proper distancing is maintained in the sitting arrangement. Ms. Shilpa is there for English. Let us have a look at the girls' washroom. Proper wash basins, tap system is there. Now let's visit our counselor's room. Here is Miss Menka for the counseling of the students. This is the account section. This is our boys' washroom. Proper urinals are provided with partition. Proper exhaust fans have been provided. Miss Komal, our commerce teacher. This is 11C. Proper furniture of single sitting have been provided to the students. CCTV cameras are installed for proper monitoring of all the students. Display boards are kept in all the corridors, outside all the classrooms. Now you are welcome in the principal's office. Sir, you are warmly welcome in principal's office. This is the place where we have kept all the records. You can say circular to parents, various circular files, various activities files, albums of different activities of the school, various sports and cultural activities have been placed in these albums. We have this folder for CPPSN News, Media Waves. We used to maintain media record. This is visitor's book. Remarks from the worthy chief guest or guests of our special events. This side we have some of the activity files in which The teachers have maintained holidays, homework folders, homework assignments, activities record, here are school-based certificates. Certificates of appreciation for the school as well as for the principal. Our students used to participate in IMO, NCO, in science Olympiads, All India Essay Writing events, in Savdeshi Mela, in exhibitions, in cultural events, and many more. This is the screen from where we can monitor all the activities of the school. Now, sir, let's have a look on some of the certificates. This is our certificate issued by DO for upgradation of secondary to senior secondary level. This certificate is for recognition up to senior secondary level by DSE. This is our NOC. This is land certificate issued by Tahsildar. This is fire NOC. This is water and sanitary conditions certificate. This is building safety certificate. Here is school building map. This is our school building map. Let us conclude here. Sir, I'm really very thankful to all the IC committee members and all our CBSE observers for the virtual tour of our Career Planet Senior Secondary School. And I would love if you physically visit the school and have a cup of coffee with us. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.